Jaja guide us, Lion of Judah, watch over I and I. From the mountains to the valleys low, we chant the name of Jah, let the river flow. Babylon a crumble, fire in the streets, righteous heart a beat, feel the ancient heat. Dreadlocks swinging in the morning sun. One love, one heart, we shall overcome. Roots of the earth, we walk the sacred line. I and I together through the sands of time. Zion dove, ancient version, let it roll. Echo through the hills, deep into your soul. Zion dove, ancient version, feel the sound. Rising higher, Jaja all around. Bass deep, drum echo, horn, front of vinyl crackle. Zion calling, Zion calling. Ancient drums speak louder than words. Over the mountains, the song of the birds. Children of the lion, marching to the beat. Every step a prayer, every move a feet. Smoke rise up, green, gold and red. Mighty tension in the morning, blessings in my head. No chains, no bondage, just a righteous fire. Burn Babylon away, lift the spirit higher. Zion dove, ancient version, let it roll. Echo through the hills, deep into your soul. Zion dove, ancient version, feel the sound. Rising higher, Jaja all around. Fans, answer bass, delay and snare dub, echo chant. Rastafari, Rastafari, ancient version. Oh, Zion land, oh, I see the light. Ancient version of the dub, guiding us tonight. Hear the trumpet call, feel the drum divine. Jaja ever present, eternal, so fine. Lion of Judah, protector of the meek. Hear the cries of the people, hear the prophet speak. Mount Zion rising, feel the sacred ground in the ancient version. Jaja sound profound, we walk through fire, but the spirit stays strong. Singing meditation, lifting hearts in song. Roots reggae forever, the message never dies. Underneath the blazing sun, we lift our eyes. Zion dove, let it roll. Echo through the hills, deep into your soul. Zion dove, ancient version, feel the sound. Rising higher, Jaja all around home. Bass swells, drums echo, organ bubbles, trumpet cries. Zion dying, Zion crowded. Ancient roots alive, misted rivers flowing, ancient spirits near. Every heartbeat chanting, Jaja we hear. No chains can hold us, no fear inside. Zion up forever, glowing in the night. One love for the people, one heart for the land. Ancient wisdom guides us. Take my brother's of ancient kings. Mystic river, guide our spirit, wash Babylon away. Oh Jah righteousness flow like river. Down by the river, waters run deep. Mystic occurrence where the ancestors sleep. Lion of Judah watching over I and I, guiding with footsteps as we reach for the sky. Children of Zion hear the call, righteousness flowing over Babylon wall. Freedom a song, freedom a chant, over the river, just spirit we blood. Mystic river of Ethiopia, flow through my soul, wash away the sorrow. Mystic river of Ethiopia, teach I heart to see a brighter tomorrow. Mystic river of Ethiopia, flow through my soul, wash away the sorrow. Mystic river of Ethiopia, teach I heart to see a brighter tomorrow. Golden sunrise over mountains high, spirit of Rastafari never will die. Ancient roots deep in the sacred land, feel the drum beat, feel the lions, and we march together. One heart, one voice, in a Jah presence we make the righteous choice. Babylon crumble, chains fall away. River of Ethiopia, guide I today. Mystic river of Ethiopia, flow through my soul, wash away the sorrow. Mystic river of Ethiopia, teach I heart to see a brighter tomorrow. Mystic river of Ethiopia, flow through my soul, wash away the sorrow. Mystic river of Ethiopia, teach I heart to see a brighter tomorrow. Jah, 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 this every river, guide I, Lion of Judah, protect I, wash Babylon away. Flowing like wisdom, river so true, lessons of ancients flowing through I and you. Mighty waters, singing songs of old, stories of kings, prophets brave and bold. From Aksum to Lalibela stone, Ethiopia spirit never alone. In the river's mirror see I reflection, heart full of joy, love full of resurrection. Mystic river of Ethiopia, flow through my soul, wash away the sorrow. Mystic river of Ethiopia, teach day. Lion of Judah guide we on the righteous way. Babylon fall, we stand tall. Rasta never bow, we hear the call. Rasta never bow, Rasta stand firm through the fire and storm. We never squirm. Lion roar in the land. Freedom is our vow. Jah light guide I hand. Rasta never bow. Babylon a try to crush the soul, but I rise righteous heart, that is my goal. Dreadlocks swinging in the morning sun, chanting Jah love till the battle is won. Roots run deep in the soil of Zion. Every footstep firm, no room for Zion. Rasta never bow, Rasta stand firm through the fire and storm. We never squirm. Lion roar in the land. Freedom is our bow. Jah light guide I hand. Rasta never bow. Soldiers of light with the words of truth. Teach the youth, guide the elders, strengthen the roots. One love vibration, it shake the nation. Jah power strong, bring liberation. No chain can bind I, no man can hold. Spirit like the lion, fearless and bold. Jah Jah I man, give thanks. Over mountains, rivers, valleys and banks. Rasta never bow, we chant the name. Babylon fade, but Jah remain the same. Dub style echo on. Rasta never bow, we chant the name. Hear the trumpet call, wake up Zion sons. Fire in our heart like 1,000 suns. Chant the melody of freedom and peace. With Jah by our side, all oppression cease. Dread in the street, roots deep in our land. Unity is the key, we hold it in our hand. Rasta never bow, Rasta stand firm through the fire and storm. We never squirm. Lion roar in the land. Freedom is our vow. Jah light guide I hand. Rasta never bow. Just a time ago in a Kingston town, brother fought the system, Jah never let him down. Every step of the way, every chant and song, taught the people to stand strong. Teach the youth, elders too. One heart, one blood, in all we do. Rasta never bow, Rasta stand firm through the fire and storm. We never squirm. Lion roar in the land. Freedom is our vow. Jah light guide I hand. Rasta never bow. Ja, ja, ja. Satta, Satta, Satta in my soul. Like the fire, guide the way. Zion calls, I hear your voice. Rising up from the darkness of Babylon. I feel the fire, I feel the light. Satta in my soul, I cannot go wrong. Rasta guidance in the night. Hear the drum, hear the call of the lion. Marching firm through trials untold. Roots of the earth in Jah we rely on. Strength in the heart, courage bold. Satta in my soul, never let me fall. Guide my footsteps, hear my call. I chant your name, I feel your power. Satta, Satta, Jah, this is my hour. Babylon crumble, we rise from the dust. Lion in the field, Rasta we trust. Roots and branches, one heart, one blood. We march in unity with the fire of love. Sunrise over Kingston hill so bright. I see the elders dancing in the light. Satta in my soul, fire burning free. Just eternal wisdom guiding me. Rasta call, Rasta chant. Over the hills and rivers I plant seeds of freedom, seeds of hope. With Satta in my soul I go. Warriors of light stand firm and strong. Sing the melody, carry the song. No chains, no lies, just sets us free. Satta in my soul eternally. Hear the trumpet, hear the horn, the brass. Lift your voices, let the chorus last. From Trenchtown streets to Mount Zion high. We chant, we pray beneath the sky. Satta in my soul, never let me fall. Guide my footsteps, hear my call. I chant your name, I feel your power. Satta, Satta, Jah, this is my hour. Elders tell the story of the days of old, of kings and warriors of heart so bold. Through fire and famine, through wind and rain. Satta in my soul keeps me safe. Children of Zion, hear the drums. March to the rhythm, we are as one. festival chanting. Soft now you bring me drums, tapes and vinyl ones. Your children rise, rise. Warriors of the Most High. Unite, Babylon must fall. Zion shall rise. We walk through fire, we walk through rain. In this struggle we feel the pain, but Jah gives strength, we'll never fall. Warriors of the Most High, we hear the call. Chains and sorrow, Babylon's lies, but I see the truth, Jah in my eyes. Mount Zion calling the children free. One heart, one love, Jah I see. Warriors of the Most High, stand tall. Lift your voice, let Babylon fall. Lion of Judah, lead the way. In a light, we shall not sway. Most High, from Trenchtown to the hill of Kingston, we chant the truth, the fire we bring. No fear in we heart, Jah guide our hand. In this roots and rhythm, we make a stand. Babylon system, try to oppress, but Jah love stronger, we are blessed. Ancient wisdom in our soul. Warriors of the Most High, we reach the goal. Most High, stand tall. Lift your voice, let Babylon fall. Lion of Judah, lead the way. In a light, we shall not sway. Warriors of the Most High, stand tall. Lift your voice, let Babylon fall. Lion of Judah, lead the way. In a light, we shall not sway. Rise up, the children of Zion. Hear the trumpet blow, the Most High reigns. Warriors marching, hearts of fire. Babylon trembling, feel Jah power. We walk strong, we walk strong. We chant Jah name, we chant Jah name. Eyes open wide, no more chains. We move with wisdom, break the pains. In our roots and culture, Jah words we speak. For the oppressed, the humble, the meek. Lion of Judah, we hear your roar. Guiding we path, opening doors. No man can stop us, Jah by our side. We are the warriors, the Most High's pride. Warriors of the Most High, stand tall. Babylon streets to Zion hills. I feel Jah power, I hear him still. Chains them try to bind my mind and soul, but I stand firm, I reach my goal. Dreadlocks swinging to the rhythm of truth. Roots reggae fire, it revives our youth. Every trial make I stronger in a heart. No chains can break I play my part. No chains on my spirit, I walk free. Jah light shining bright over my destiny. No chains on my spirit, I sing loud. Lift up your hands, stand proud. Yeah. Jah, Jah, Jah. Aye, Babylon a whisper, Babylon a scheme, but I eyes open, I follow, I dream. I chant down oppression, I chant down fear. Every word I speak, Jah power here. I one heart, I one mind. Roots reggae vibration, pure and kind. Lion of Judah, guide me through night. I rise in a freedom, I rise in a light. Heavy dub bassline dominate. But let's echo the chorus melody. Guitar skank but we still reach for the sky. Chains of the past, they try to bind our mind, but I and I see the vision, freedom we gon' find. Brass horns echo, trombone and trumpet sound. One drop heartbeat of the roots all around. Lion of Judah roar and guide me through the storm. Back to the black star line where our souls are reborn. Back to the black star line we sail tonight, guided by the fire of Just light. Back to the black star line, hear the people call. One love, one heart, we stand tall. Ocean breeze a carry whispers of the past, stories of our ancestors, legacy will last. From Kingston streets to Montego Bay, we chant the sacred names, pave the righteous way. Roots deep like the baobab, strong and wise. Rasta children of the earth, never tell no lies. Babylon crumble, but we never fear. Back to the black star line, Jah ever near. Back to the black star line, we sail tonight, guided by the fire of Just light. Back to the black star line, hear the people call. One love, one heart, we stand tall. Drum pipe and pulsing, organ bubbles right, trumpet echo. It's the black jar, Zion call, Zion call, rock star line, reverb on snare, delay on vocals. Back to the vibe, Rocktional Naya Bingy drum, overline. Hear the drums are talking freedom in the sound. Every heartbeat a message, just spirit all around. We journey through the night, guided by the scar. Rivers of Babylon can't wash away the truth. Ethiopian sun shining on the youth. sound the trumpet. Freedom come, freedom come, come. Hear the trumpet in the valley, hear it blow. Wake up children of Zion, let your spirits grow. Babylon a tremble when the righteous stand. One heart, one blood, we defend the land. See the lion in the morning, roaring loud, breaking chains, lifting souls, Jamaica's proud. From the mountains to the rivers, hear the call. Righteousness and truth will conquer all. Trumpet of liberation, sound to the night. Guide we on the pathway, bring us to the light. No more sorrow, no more pain, let your reign. Trumpet of liberation, wash away the train. Babylon system crumble, no more oppression. We chant for the people, one love, one confession. Rasta children march, feet firm on the ground. Hear the trumpet sound, just voice all around. Ethiopia rise, land of ancient kings. Hear the lion roar, feel the freedom it brings. No more slave, no more fear, lift up your eyes. Trumpet of liberation, hear just cries. Trumpet of liberation, sound through the night. Guide we on the pathway, bring us to the light. No more sorrow, no more pain, let your reign. Trumpet of liberation, wash away the chain. Sound it high, sound it low, echo in the air. Righteousness and justice, Jah everywhere. Children of the world, unite, raise your voice. Trumpet of liberation, make the people rejoice. See the mountains move, feel the ocean roar. Babylon can't hold us, we're free forevermore. One love in a heart, one fire in a soul. Trumpet of liberation, just message all. Sing it loud, sing it proud, no fear tonight. We dance in the moonlight, burning your light. Roots of the earth, fire of the sky. Trumpet of liberation, let the spirit fly. Trumpet of liberation, sound through the night. shall be fulfilled tonight. Lion of Judah, rise and stand. Bring the word across this land. Righteousness, righteousness, Jah kingdom shall manifest. From the days of Babylon's chains, we walked through fire and we felt the pains. But the elder spoke, the prophet said, one day the righteous shall be fed. Hear the trumpet of Zion blow, see the children rise, let the justice flow. No more chains upon the mind, the truth of Jah we shall find. Prophecy fulfilled, prophecy fulfilled. Jah light shining, hearts are thrilled. Rastafari rise, stand up strong, sing the ancient victory song. Woo, woo, woo. Mountains tremble, sea shall roar. The humble shall enter, the proud ignore. Every lie that Babylon spread, the righteous path we now tread. See the lion walking free, hear the drums of eternity. The lost shall find, the blind shall see. The word of Jah, it shall decree. Prophecy fulfilled, prophecy fulfilled. Jah light shining, hearts are thrilled. Rastafari rise, stand up strong, sing the ancient victory song. Echoing call, Babylon shall fall. Shalom shall conquer all. It has conquered, now can sway. Trumpet shout the people, yeah. Righteousness, righteousness, righteousness. From Kingston streets to Africa's shore, the word of Jah we can't ignore. Every prophecy of old, it lives today. The lion roars, we find our way. No more sorrow, no more pain. Freedom anthem in every vein. The elders dance, the children sing. Righteousness is the eternal king. Prophecy fulfilled, prophecy fulfilled. Jah light shining, hearts are thrilled. Rastafari rise, stand up strong, sing the ancient victory song. walking through the valley, shadows all around, roots deep in the soil, your wisdom we have found. Lion-hearted people, stand up and face the night, chanting for freedom in the morning light. Skank your feet, Rasta beat, feel the fire inside. One love, one heart, we will never hide. Babylon are falling, yeah, the time is near. Truth and righteousness we hold dear. Rockers in the wilderness, children of Zion we rise. Rockers in the wilderness, lift your hands to the skies. Mountains high, rivers wide, we journey on our way. Ancient drums are calling, hear the spirit say. Never bow to oppression, never sell your soul. Keep the fire burning till Jah take control. Skanking through the shadows, light shining from within. Victory in Jah name, we shall always win. Lion roar, warrior soul, fighting Babylon. Freedom chant, victory dance till the morning come. Rockers in the wilderness, children of Zion we rise. Rockers in the wilderness, lift your hands to the skies. try to bind us, but we refuse to break chains upon our hearts. But Jah give the key, I and I stand tall. In righteousness we be, freedom is a must. Can't you see? No more slavery, just set we free. Freedom is a must. Rise up strong, sing the righteous song all day long. Ghetto children crying, hear the streets lament. We plant the seeds of justice, just love is heaven sent. One blood, one heart, we march together through the storm, through the night. We shall falter never, freedom is a must. Can't you see? No more slavery, just set we free. Freedom is a must. Rise up strong, sing the righteous song all day long. Lion roar in a Zion, feel the power rise. Chains break in a Babylon, open up your eyes. Echo through the mountains, rivers and the dust. Hear the voice of the people say,